discovery on the distant planet Proxima B1 that could change the way we think about life in the universe. Using advanced technology, they've detected something extraordinary. Lights that might suggest the existence of an advanced civilization for Elon. This isn't just another space mission, it's a potential game changer for humanity's future. His vision of making humans a multiplanetary species might be closer than we ever imagined. But what exactly did Elon uncover? And could this be the proof we've been waiting for? That we're not alone in the universe. Part 1. The vision and the search for Proxima B. Elon Musk has always been a man of grand visions, right? He's not satisfied with just revolutionizing electric cars with Tesla or turning space travel into a more affordable and reusable venture. With SpaceX, his goal, the one that drives him every day, is to make humanity a multiplanetary species. That's not a small ambition. He's always been focused on Mars as the next step for humans, but now something new has grabbed his attention. And it's even more intriguing than Mars recently. Something extraordinary happened. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWS. You know, that incredible piece of tech NASA launched set its sights on a planet called Proxima B. This planet isn't some random rock floating out there in the void. It's located in the habitable zone of its star Proxima Centauri, which means it could potentially support life. It's about 4.24 light years away, so it's not exactly close, but in cosmic terms, it's practically in our neighborhood. Astronomers have had their eye on Proxima B for years because it's one of the most Earth-like planets we've ever found. But until recently, we didn't have the tools to really see what was going on there. That's where the JWS comes in. Unlike previous telescopes, the JWS can look deeper into space with such precision that it's almost like getting a high-definition close-up of a distant planet when it turned its gaze toward Proxima B. No one expected what happened next. It found lights, yes, lights as in something that could be artificial, like city lights we have here on Earth. Think about that for a second, lights on another planet. That could mean there's intelligent life out there. It's not just a faint glow either. These are structured lights, the kind of thing that suggests something or someone might be living on that planet. Now, if you're like me, your mind is already racing. Could this be real? Are we really not alone in the universe? And of course, Elon Musk heard about it. And let's just say he was all in. This is exactly the kind of discovery that gets Musk excited because it's not just a scientific breakthrough, it's a validation of everything he's been working toward. Musk has always believed that humans should explore the stars, and this potential discovery of life on Proxima B is like a signpost pointing directly at his mission to make humanity a spacefaring civilization. Musk's reaction to this discovery was classic Elon. He didn't just marvel at the possibilities, he immediately started thinking about the next steps in his view. If there's intelligent life on Proxima B, it changes everything. This isn't just about finding a planet to colonize. This is about making contact with an advanced civilization that might already be out there. Musk has always dreamed big, but this news took things to a whole new level in his mind. This could be the beginning of something we've only imagined in science fiction, communicating with an alien species, learning from them, and maybe even collaborating with them. The idea that there could be cities on Proxima B with lights just like ours is both thrilling and a little terrifying. Musk, being the forward thinker that he is, sees both the opportunity and the risks. He's always talked about the importance of ensuring humanity's survival by expanding beyond Earth. And with this new discovery, his vision seems even more urgent. It's not just about exploring new planets or escaping the dangers of climate change, asteroid impacts, or political instability here on Earth. Now it's about the possibility of interacting with an alien race that could be far more advanced than we are. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Proxima B is still 4.24 light years away, which might not sound like much in the grand scheme of the universe, but for us humans, that's a massive distance. Even with the most advanced technology we have right now, it would take tens of thousands of years to get there. Musk knows this, of course, but that's never stopped him before, if anything. It only pushes him harder. He's the type of guy who sees these kinds of limitations, not as roadblocks, but as challenges that need to be overcome. Remember, everyone thought reusable rockets were impossible until SpaceX made it happen. Musk has proven time and again that he can take on the impossible and turn it into reality. The discovery of lights on Proxima B is likely the motivation Musk needed to accelerate his work on faster. than light travel or some other form of advanced propulsion. After all, if there's something worth discovering out there, Musk isn't going to let something as trivial as distance stand in his way. This discovery has probably already sparked countless conversations in SpaceX's labs about how to make interstellar travel a reality. And if there's anyone who can push us into that next frontier, it's Elon Musk. But what does all of this mean for us? How does this discovery on Proxima B change things for the average person here on Earth? Well, for starters, it forces us to confront the idea that we might not be alone. Humans have been looking up at the stars for centuries, wondering if there's life out there. This discovery could finally give us an answer, and if there's life on Proxima B, it makes us rethink everything from our place in the universe to how we approach space exploration. Musk, of course, is thinking bigger than just finding another planet for him. This is about the future of humanity. He's always said that we need to become a multiplanetary species, not just to explore the cosmos, but to ensure the survival of our species if something catastrophic were to happen on Earth. Whether it's climate change, a nuclear war, or an asteroid impact, we need to have a backup plan. And for Musk, that backup plan is Mars. But now with the possibility of intelligent life on Proxima B, Musk's ambitions are expanding even further. This isn't just about survival anymore. It's about exploration, discovery, and possibly even collaboration with other civilizations. Still, Musk is a realist. He knows that we're not quite ready to pack our bags and head off to Proxima B. Just yet, there's still a lot we don't know about the planet, and even more, we don't know about what those lights mean. Are they really artificial? Are they the work of an advanced civilization? Or could they be something else entirely, like a natural phenomenon? We don't yet understand. Musk is as curious as anyone else, but he's also cautious. The last thing he wants to do is jump into something without fully understanding the risks. At the same time, Musk isn't the type to sit around and wait for answers. He's already put Ping SpaceX to explore new technologies that could make interstellar travel a reality. Whether it's developing faster propulsion systems or finding new ways to sustain human life in space, Musk is always looking ahead. The discovery on Proxima B is just the beginning in his mind. It's a wake-up call, a reminder that there's so much more out there waiting to be discovered, and that we need to start preparing. Now, what's clear is that Musk isn't just thinking about the scientific implications of this discovery. He's thinking about the cultural and philosophical ones too. If we do find intelligent life on Proxima B, it's going to change everything we know about the universe and our place in it. And Musk, being the visionary that he is ready to lead humanity into that new era. The question is, are we ready to follow part two? The implications of the discovery on Proxima B. So imagine this, the lights we're seeing on Proxima B could actually be evidence of an advanced civilization. I mean, that's huge, right? And of course, it's the kind of thing Elon Musk thrives on. He's been saying for years that we need to think about the bigger picture, not just about surviving on Earth or even colonizing Mars, but about pushing the limits of what we know and venturing further into the universe. And now with Proxima B, the stakes feel even higher. This isn't just about Mars anymore. We could be on the verge of discovering intelligent life, and that could open doors we didn't even know existed. Now let's talk about why this discovery hits home for Musk. He's always had this vision of humanity becoming a multiplanetary species, and it's not just about exploring cool new places for him, it's about surviving. You've probably heard him say it 100 times, humans need to establish a presence beyond Earth to protect against existential threats. It's a smart idea. Honestly, we've seen what can happen when natural disasters strike, and then you throw in the possibility of climate change, nuclear war, or even an asteroid impact, and suddenly the need for a backup plan feels very real. Mars was always the first step in Musk's mind, and he's been pouring everything into SpaceX to make that happen. But the discovery of possible life on Proxima B takes things to a whole new level. And imagine if we're not just moving to a dead rocky planet, but instead engaging with an advanced civilization that might have been around for thousands, if not millions of years longer than we have. It's the kind of thing that could fast-track our own progress. Think about what we could learn from them. Maybe they've already solved the problems we're struggling with, energy shortages, climate change, even technology we haven't even dreamed of yet. That's where Musk's mind is probably going. He's always looking for solutions to humanity's biggest challenges. And what if those solutions are waiting for us on Proxima B? But of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Musk is also smart enough to know that there are risks involved. We're talking about potentially interacting with a civilization that might be far more advanced than we are. And if science fiction has taught us anything, it's that first contact with an alien species doesn't always go. Well, Musk has even acknowledged this sighting. Stephen Hawking's warnings that reaching out to more advanced civilizations could be dangerous after all. They might not see us as equals, and who knows how they'd react. It's a tough balance to strike. On one hand, the idea of making contact with an alien civilization is thrilling. It could completely change the trajectory of human history. But on the other hand, there's a lot of uncertainty and potential danger. Musk has always been a risk taker, though, and I'd bet that he's already thinking about how to manage that risk. He's not someone who shies away from challenges, even when they're as big as making contact with intelligent life light years away. But here's the thing, whether or not we ever make contact, the discovery on Proxima B is already a game changer. Just knowing that there could be intelligent life out there forces us to rethink everything. It makes you wonder what else is out there. If there's life on Proxima B, then who's to say there aren't other planets with civilizations even more advanced than that? It's mind-blowing when you start to think about the possibilities, and Musk, being the visionary that he is likely already thinking about the long-term implications of this. He's always said that space exploration isn't just about the science, it's about humanity's place in the universe. This discovery could be the beginning of a new era for us. It could unite people in ways we've never seen before. Think about it, if we're not alone, then maybe all the conflicts and divisions here on Earth start to seem a little less important. Maybe instead of fighting over borders and resources, we start to see ourselves as part of a larger cosmic community. Musk has always had this ability to get people thinking beyond the here and now. He's not just focused on the technology, he's focused on what it means for us as a species. And this discovery could be the catalyst for that kind of cultural shift. People are going to start asking bigger questions. What is our place in the universe? How do we fit into the grand scheme of things? And most importantly, what's next for humanity, of course? Musk isn't just thinking about the philosophical implications. He's thinking about the practical ones too. We've talked about how far away Proxima B is, 4.24. Light years isn't a distance we can travel with today's technology, but you can bet Musk is already working on that. He's been talking for years about the need for new propulsion systems, something faster than light travel or some advanced technology that could take us to distant star systems in a fraction of the time it would take. Now it sounds like science fiction, but then again, did reusable rockets, and look how far SpaceX has come. The discovery on Proxima B could be exactly the kind of motivation Musk needs to push even harder for interstellar travel. It's not just about getting to Mars anymore. Now there's the possibility of reaching another star system and actually seeing what's going on there. And with Musk, nothing feels too far-fetched. If anyone is going to figure out how to make faster than light travel a reality, it's probably him, but the journey doesn't end there. Even if we develop the technology to travel to Proxima B, we still have to figure out what to do when we get there. Musk has always been a proponent of careful planning and preparation. When it comes to space exploration, he's not the type to rush into something without thinking it through. Especially when the stakes are this high, he's likely already considering the ethical and philosophical questions that come with contacting an alien civilization. Should we reach out to them? And if we do, how do we ensure that we don't pose a threat to them, or worse, that they don't pose a threat to us? These are tough questions, but Musk isn't afraid of them. He knows that space exploration is about more than just science. It's about expanding our understanding of the universe and our place in it. The discovery on Proxima B is forcing us to confront the reality that we might not be the only intelligent beings out there. And that's a huge deal. It's going to change everything. How we think, how we explore, and how we approach the future. Musk has always been someone who thinks big, and this discovery has only fueled that ambition. He's more determined than ever to push the boundaries of space exploration, to develop the technologies we need to travel to other star systems, and to lead humanity into a new era of discovery for him. The lights on Proxima B aren't just a scientific curiosity. They're a beacon calling us to explore, to dream bigger, and to push the limits of what's possible. What's fascinating about Musk is that he's not just thinking about what we can do, he's thinking about what we should do. He knows that with great power comes great responsibility. The discovery on Proxima B forces us to think about the ethical implications of space exploration. Are we prepared to interact with another civilization? What kind of impact will we have on them? And what kind of impact will they have on us? These are questions that we need to start asking now, and Musk is already leading the conversation. He's not just a visionary, he's a leader, someone who's willing to tackle the big challenges and guide humanity into the unknown. The discovery on Proxima B might just be the first step in a journey that will take us further than we ever imagined. Part 3. The future of space exploration and human expansion. Now here's where things start getting really exciting. Elon Musk, with his relentless drive to push humanity forward, isn't just thinking about reaching Proxima B. He's thinking beyond that about how this discovery could completely reshape everything we know about space travel technology and human potential. I mean, this is classic Musk, right? When everyone else is still wrapping their heads around the idea of lights on a distant planet, Musk is already 10 steps ahead, thinking about what this could mean for the future. If we've learned anything from Musk's history, it's that he doesn't wait around for someone else to solve the problems. He jumps in, tackles the challenges head-on, and often ends up revolutionizing entire industries along the way. Think about it. Space travel used to be this huge government-controlled endeavor, with only a handful of countries capable of launching rockets into space. And then along came Musk, who basically redefined how we think about space exploration, SpaceX's reusable rockets. Nobody thought that was possible until Musk made it happen, and now he's eyeing Proxima B like it's the next big challenge. So what does this discovery on Proxima B mean for the future of space exploration for Musk? It's not just about sending probes or satellites to gather more data. That's just the beginning. He's probably already considering what it would take to get humans to Proxima B to actually set foot on a planet orbiting another star. It might sound impossible right now, but Musk has made a career out of turning the impossible possible into reality. Remember when people said reusable rockets would never work or that electric cars would never be practical? Musk heard all that and then went ahead and proved them wrong in his mind. The discovery of these lights on Proxima B could be the exact motivation humanity needs to push further, faster. We've always been explorers from the moment that our ancestors set out across continents to when we first set foot on the moon, and Musk sees space as the next frontier, the ultimate destination for human exploration and expansion. He's not just dreaming about visiting Proxima B, he's thinking about how we could actually live there. Imagine it, human colonies on multiple planets, not just within our solar system, but in entirely different star systems. Of course, getting to Proxima B is a monumental task right now. With our current technology, it would take tens of thousands of years to make that journey. But Musk has always been a forward thinker. He knows that our current propulsion systems won't cut it, and he's already hinted at the need for breakthrough technologies faster than light travel. Advanced propulsion systems, things that sound like science fiction today, but could be tomorrow's reality. Think about it. Just a few decades ago, the idea of reusable rockets sounded crazy. Now it's routine, so who's to say we won't figure out a way to travel to other stars within our lifetimes? And here's the thing. Musk isn't just talking about building the technology to get us to Proxima B. He's thinking about how we can actually thrive there. If there is intelligent life on Proxima B, it changes the game entirely. This could be humanity's chance to learn from a civilization that might have solved some of the problems we're still grappling with here on Earth. Energy, sustainability, technology. Who knows what kind of advancements they might have made? Musk has always been obsessed with solving big problems, and this could be the key to unlocking solutions we haven't even thought of yet. But Musk isn't blind to the risks. He knows that making contact with an advanced civilization is a double-edged sword. What if they see us as a threat? What if our presence on Proxima B causes unintended harm to their society? These are the kinds of ethical questions Musk is likely already considering. He's not just thinking about space exploration as a technological challenge. It's a moral and philosophical one too. How do we approach another civilization, especially one that might be far more advanced than we are? These aren't easy questions, but Musk isn't the type to shy away from tough conversations. And that's what makes Musk such a compelling figure in all of this. He's not just thinking about how to get there. He's thinking about what happens after we arrive. He's thinking about how we engage with other civilizations Asians, how we avoid repeating the mistakes of the past, and how we ensure that humanity's expansion into space is a force for good, not destruction. It's a level of thoughtfulness and foresight that's rare in an industry driven by technological innovation. The discovery of potential lights on Proxima B is also forcing us to confront some uncomfortable truths about our own planet. Musk has been vocal about the need for humans to become a multiplanetary species to ensure our survival. And now, with the possibility of intelligent life on another planet, that need feels even more urgent. We've always known that Earth isn't going to last forever. Climate change, natural disasters, and other existential threats are always looming. Musk. SE space exploration is not just an exciting adventure, but as a critical part of humanity's long-term survival strategy. But this discovery also opens up a whole new set of possibilities for collaboration if there is intelligent life on Proxima B. What if we could learn from them? What if they've developed technologies or systems that could help us here on Earth? Musk has always been about collaboration, whether it's between private companies, governments, or now potentially even other civilizations. The idea that we could work together with an extraterrestrial civilization to solve global problems is the stuff of science fiction. But we're closer to that reality than ever before. Of course, Musk is pragmatic too. He knows that we're still in the early stages of understanding what's out there. The lights on Proxima B could be the result of natural phenomena, not an advanced civilization, but for Musk, even the possibility is enough to push forward. That's what's so exciting about this discovery. It fuels our imagination, inspires innovation, and reminds us that there's still so much left to explore. Musk has always believed that space is the final frontier, and now more than ever, he's determined to lead humanity into that future. So where does that leave us? Well, for starters, the discovery on Proxima B has reignited Musk's vision for space exploration. He's more driven than ever to push the boundaries of what's possible to develop the technologies we need to reach other star systems and to prepare humanity for life beyond Earth. Whether or not we make contact with intelligent life on Proxima B, this discovery has already changed the way we think about the universe and our place in it. And that's something Musk is deeply invested in as we move forward. Musk's role as a leader in space exploration will only become more critical. He's already paved the way for private companies to play a major role in space travel. And with the discovery on Proxima B, that role is set to expand even further. Musk has always been about big ideas, and this is perhaps the biggest idea of them all. Humanity's place in the cosmos. It's not just about colonizing Mars anymore. It's about exploring the stars, making contact with other civilizations, and expanding our understanding of what it means to be human. In many ways, the discovery on Proxima B feels like the beginning of a new chapter for humanity and for Musk. It's a reminder that the universe is vast, full of potential, and waiting to be explored. And with Musk leading the charge, there's no telling what we might discover next, whether it's faster than the light travel, advanced propulsion systems, or even contact with intelligent life. Musk is determined to push the limits of what's possible. And honestly, it's hard not to be excited about what the future holds at the end of the day. This discovery isn't just about lights on a distant planet. It's about hope, curiosity, and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. Musk has.